The question says IUPAC name for the complex. Let me write this complex. We have potassium, then we have Ag and Cn whole twice is there and close bracket is there. Okay. If you break this complex from here to this is counter and positive part and this is what negative part. So you can see the central element is present in the negative part, means we have to use its special name. This is what silver, but when we name it, it will be argentate. Okay, because the central element is present in the negative complex. Okay. Now order for the naming of the complex, we have this is number of ligand, then we have type of the ligand, then we have central metal atom, and then oxidation number of the central metal atom to be written in Roman numbers. Okay, first of all we name cationic part followed by anionic part. So we have potassium, potassium is there, we have potassium. Next, number of ligands, only one type of ligands, 2 is there, so we can say di. This is cyanide ion, negative ligand, unidentate negative ligand. In the nomenclature we name it as cyano or cyanido, so I can say it is cyanido. Okay, dicyanido is there, dicyanido. Then it will be central metal atom, so since it is present in the anionic complex, then we say this is what argentate. This is argentate is there, argentate. Okay, argentate. Then we can calculate the oxidation numbers. So you can see potassium is +1, then silver is there, plus 2 cyanide. Each cyanide ion carries -1 charge. This is what Cn minus is there. Okay, and is equal to 0. So +1 plus silver and -2 is equal to 0. Then we get silver -1 is equal to 0. Then silver is present in +1 oxidation number. So oxidation number we write as 1. That's it. Potassium dicyanido, argentate and 1. Any option you can see clearly it is given here only once. This is potassium dicyanido argentate 1. Option C is correct.